All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been on our planet for 3 billion years. It's an organism responsible for the very air we breathe. And while it's not some new discovery, we're just now really unlocking its incredible potential to change modern health. We are talking about algae. This image just feels ancient, doesn't it? Timeless. And honestly, it's the perfect place for us to start. See, the organism we're exploring today is one of the original architects of our planet. We're talking about how this ancient life, algae, might just be the key to preventing disease and building a healthier future for all of us. Okay, so to really get a handle on the power of algae, we have to go back, way, way back. Before trees, before fish, before just about anything we'd recognize as life today. 3 billion years. It's a number that's almost impossible to wrap your head around. Back then, the Earth's atmosphere was basically a toxic soup. But these tiny organisms, cyanobacteria, or blue-green algae, started a process that would completely reshape our world. Through photosynthesis, they began pumping out the one thing that made all complex life possible, oxygen. They didn't just survive here, they literally built the world we live in. Now, when we say algae, we're talking about a huge, diverse family. On the left, you've got microalgae. These are the tiny, single-celled powerhouses. On the right, you see macroalgae. That's what you probably think of as seaweed. For our purposes today, we're going to zero in on the micro stuff, because that's where some of the most concentrated nutrition on the entire planet is found. So, not all algae are created equal. This chart kind of breaks down the 4 main groups. You see that term prokaryote for blue-green algae? That just means they have a super simple cell structure. It's a sign of just how ancient they are. The others are eukaryotes, which are more complex, kind of like our own cells. This diversity is amazing, but we're going to focus on a couple of superstars from these groups, like Spirulina and Chlorella, because they are true nutritional giants. And that really brings us to the core of this whole thing. Why are people calling this ancient organism green gold? Well, let's get into it. Let's unlock its incredible chemical makeup. You know, a lot of us take fish oil for omega-3s, but have you ever stopped to think about where the fish get it from? That's right, they get it from algae. This slide shows exactly why it's so much better to go straight to the source. By growing algae in pure, controlled environments, we get all the good stuff, all those amazing omega-3s, without the risk of heavy metals and other pollutants that can build up in fish. It's cleaner, it's more sustainable, it's totally vegetarian-friendly, and yeah, no fishy aftertaste. But microalgae aren't just about healthy fats. They are a complete protein powerhouse. Now, what that means is they have all the essential amino acids our bodies absolutely need but can't make on their own. As you can see here, these are the fundamental building blocks for everything, from stimulating brain function with leucine to helping produce antibodies with lysine. It's like a complete toolkit for repairing and maintaining the human body. Just take a second and let that number sink in. 1,000 times. We're talking about a unique compound found in chlorella that can dramatically multiply the good bacteria in your gut. This is an absolute game changer for digestive health. But what exactly is it? It's this incredible substance called chlorella growth factor, or CGF. The easiest way to think about it is like a cellular repair crew. CGF is packed with nucleic acids, the raw materials your body uses to build and repair its own DNA and RNA. This means it helps your cells renew themselves way more efficiently. And its benefits go way beyond just gut health. It also helps kick your immune system into gear and can even improve how your body handles blood sugar. So, okay, we've got this amazing natural substance, but how do we actually get its power in a way that's safe and effective? Well, the journey from a wild pond to a modern supplement is a story of biotechnology, and it's absolutely crucial for ensuring both purity and potency. On the left, you've got the old way. For a long time, people would just harvest algae from natural lakes. The problem is those environments are totally uncontrolled. You've got risks of contamination and really inconsistent quality. On the right, that's the modern approach, using pure strains grown in clean, mineral-rich water under incredibly strict scientific controls. This is how you ensure every single batch is safe and effective. And this is what that modern process looks like. It's a multi-step flow, all designed for maximum quality control. It all starts in a lab where scientists isolate the purest, most potent strain. Then that specific strain is grown in large, controlled ponds using natural sunlight. After it's harvested, it's carefully dried to preserve every last nutrient. This whole scientific approach is what ensures that what you get in the end is both incredibly powerful and incredibly safe. And this image gives you a sense of the scale and the technology we're talking about. This is not your typical farm-to-table operation. This is advanced biotechnology. And this level of precision is exactly how we can guarantee that every single batch is pure, potent, and safe. But there is one more critical step, at least when it comes to chlorella. You see, its cell wall is incredibly tough. It makes it really hard for our bodies to digest. Without breaking that wall, you're only getting less than 40% of the nutrients inside. So modern tech uses a special low-pressure expansion technique that gently creates tiny pores in that wall. And the result? It doubles the digestibility to over 80%. This one step unlocks the full power hidden inside. Okay, so we have a pure, we have a potent, and we have a digestible product, but what does the science say? Let's look at the real clinical evidence of how microalgae actually performs inside the human body. Now, this is a really powerful finding. Spirulina is incredibly rich in a form of iron that's super easy for our bodies to absorb. In this particular study, women who were dealing with anemia saw a significant rise in their hemoglobin levels just from taking spirulina. This isn't just a theory, folks. This is a measurable, real-world impact on people's health. And the research uncovered something else, something really remarkable. Scientists isolated a unique compound in spirulina called calcium spirulin. And what they found in lab studies is that this substance can act like a shield, literally preventing a whole range of viruses. We're talking influenza, herpes, even HIV from getting inside our cells. It's just a fascinating look at how nature can provide us with these incredibly powerful defensive tools. So when you put it all together, you've got the complete protein, the pure omega-3s, the cellular repair, the immune support. You start to see microalgae not as just some simple supplement, but as a fundamental investment in your long-term wellness. And that really leaves us with one final question. In our search for better health, we're always looking for the next big scientific breakthrough. But what if one of the most powerful tools for prevention has been here all along, powering life on this planet for billions of years? It really makes you wonder, are we overlooking the simple, natural solutions that are right in front of us?